Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have another Canadian IMP from 2011. Now this is a supper, menu number 1, Chinese style beef macaroni. Yeah, that sounds very interesting. So let's have a close look. All right, let's go over the basics. We have a paper bag lined with foil. Now this is a supper menu, or I believe dinner menu. Menu number 1, Chinese style beef macaroni. So I've never had anything like that, so that sounds very interesting. This ration is from 2011. It is possible to have an entree substituted by another one. That's good to know. This is a military ration, not for resale. Here we have the bottom, there's the back, the sides, and that's basically it. Let's get it opened up. All right, so we'll just cut into it. Just like that, and we're in. And the first thing we have is some sliced peaches. Very nice. All right, and we have the famous Canadian beverage bag, and this one's really nice. We have a Lipton cup of soup. Now this one is a spring vegetable flavor, which we had in the previous IMP ration video. We have a passion fruit sports drink. All right, we have something different. We have a Kellogg's all brand bars. Now this is honey nut flavor. Very interesting. We have an instant coffee type 1. All right, we have a couple of packets of sugar. Check out those boats. Pepper. We have a couple of dry whiteners for tea and coffee. All right, we have a couple of packets of soy sauce. I've never seen this in a ration, so it's very interesting. Another instant coffee type 1. All right, we have some Ritz crackers with cheese, and these are called snackwitches. Very nice. Some salt. A couple of chiclets, cinnamon flavor. We have a Werther's Original coffee flavor. Some matches with the pink tip. Here we have the extra long Canadian spoon made by Solo. And here's the extra large Canadian napkin. We have a toothpick, a wet nap or moist towelette. We have a score sheet so you can grade your meal. And here we have the Chinese style beef macaroni. If you guys want to squint your eyes and try to read the ingredients, go ahead. The text is a little bit blurry. And there we have our date code, which is the 230th day of 2010. So, and that's it. All right, guys, there you have all the contents. And as you can already tell, you get plenty of things to play around with. You get some snacks, there's plenty of drinks, and there's some unique items I have not seen before in a ration, like the soy sauce and the all brand bars. I'm sure all my Canadian viewers know exactly what that is, but I've never seen that before in a ration. So yeah, for now, we'll get the main entree heated. We'll throw it in some boiling water, get it warmed up, and we'll take it from there. So let's begin. All right, let's begin. We'll start with the drinks. We have our cup of soup. We have our passion fruit sports drink and our instant coffee type 1. All right, I guess we'll start with the cup of soup. There you have it. And there you can see some noodles and vegetables. Let's get our hot water. Give it a stir. All right, we'll let it sit for a couple of minutes and we'll get back to it All right, let's prepare our sports drink. And this one is passion fruit. Sounds interesting. It's just a fine powder. And just add water to the fill line. Should be good. And there you have it. Has a nice peachy color to it. And let's close it up. And give it a shake. And we'll pour it into a cup. And there you have it. It's got a nice peachy color to it. It does smell a little bit stale. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, surprisingly, that does taste like passion fruit. It's a little bit on the mild side. It's not overly sweet. It is a little bit acidic, a little bit bitter, but overall it's pretty decent, nice and refreshing. All right, let's prepare the coffee. Got our mug from foreignmre.com. And this is instant coffee type 1. So it should be a really fine powder. All right. Let's get our whitener or creamer in our mug. And sugar. All right, let's give it a stir. All right, there's our coffee and it's looking pretty good, nice and frothy. Let's try it. Yeah, there's some really good coffee. It's got a nice roasted flavor to it. It's a little bit acidic, but that's just the way I like it. Yeah, overall, it's just a great quality cup of coffee. Not bad. All right, let's check out our soup. And yeah, it's still very hot. There you can see some carrots, noodles. Yeah, definitely has a nice smell to it. All right, let's try it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's try some of the noodles. Yeah, that is a really good soup, very comforting. It does have a nice herby flavor to it. The salt content is just perfect. Yeah, not bad. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, let's check out the sliced peaches. And we have the usual metallic pouch, and this one is by Baxter's. Let's open them up. All right, there's our peaches. They appear to be in a light syrup. All right. All right, let's grab a piece. All right, there's our peach. All right, down the hatch. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with those peaches. They're nice and sweet and syrupy, and of course, very peachy. All right, let's check out the Ritz. See if they're still good. Yeah, they do smell stale, so let's grab one. All right, there we have our Ritz snack witch, and it does smell incredibly stale. It smells really funky. Not sure if I should be trying it since it is real cheese. Well, I guess we can just try it and yeah, hope for the best. Down the hatch. Yeah. Yeah, you can definitely tell by my reaction that those aren't good. They're nice and stale and rancid, so it's probably not a good idea to eat those. As soon as I took a bite, my tongue went completely numb, so that was definitely not a good experience. Yeah, let's try to cleanse our palate. Try the coffee as well. Yeah, helps out a little bit. All right, I guess we can try the old Bran Bars. See how stale these are. Check that out. Yeah, they don't smell too bad. That's what it looks like, complete. There's a line, I guess that's why they call it bars. All right, down the hatch. Yeah, that's actually not bad. It's got a nice sweetness to it, nice honey sweetness. Yeah, it tastes just like a oat cookie or an oat bar, something like that. All right, there we have our main entree, the Chinese style beef macaroni. It's nice and hot. Let's open it up. And there you have it. Let's get it on our tray. Oh wow, check that out. Yeah, that looks very interesting. You have some macaroni, some ground beef. There's some celery, what appears to be red bell peppers. And yeah, it does have a nice smell to it. It smells very beefy. So let's grab a bite. And there you have the macaroni. All right, here we go. Yeah, not bad. It's got a nice beefy flavor to it. The macaroni is a little bit mushy, a little bit too soft. Overall, the seasoning is right on point. It's perfect, but let's spice it up. Let's add some soy sauce and pepper. All right, let's add some pepper. And we'll sprinkle some soy sauce on top. Let's try it out first. And there's our soy sauce. Yeah, not bad. Just get a little bit. All right, let's try it. All right, let's try it with the pepper and soy sauce on the hatch. All right, so I feel like it doesn't really need the soy sauce. It doesn't really need anything. It doesn't really make it better or, you know, changes the flavor too much. It just kind of makes it salty. So I would just have it by itself. It doesn't need anything else, so yeah. And here's the last things we have. We have the moist towelette, the cinnamon gum, and Werther's Original. I've had the gum at least, you know, a couple of dozen times. And the Werther's Original, they're excellent, nice, creamy coffee candy. But I think we'll skip out on these. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the Canadian IMP supper menu number 1 from 2011. And I must say it's a pretty decent ration. Some interesting new items like the all Bran Bars, and I've never had the Chinese style macaroni and beef. So that was pretty awesome to try that. Yeah, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration a 7 out of 10. It's a decent ration, just some of the stuff didn't make it, like the Ritz crackers. But overall, it's decent. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, you're just visiting, make sure you subscribe for more content and hit that little notification button as well. And I just want to thank all of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And a huge thanks to all my patrons. I really appreciate all your support. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.